valuationstrategy.com.
Hello, this is Daniel Grady with a quick look at the markets for today, Friday, May 16th. Coming up on the economic calendar today, we could have some volatility in the euro at 9 o'clock GMT when we have a trade balance from the Eurozone. Then at 12:30 GMT, we have housing data from the United States. And then the major event of the day is most likely going to be 5 minutes to 2 in the afternoon when we have the University of Michigan Consumer Confidence Survey from the United States economy. Consumers are the major component of the American economy, so some mix over expectations here could generate some volatility in equities. Moving over to the markets, the S&P 500 dropped by 0.9% yesterday. This was the largest drop it had since the beginning of April. This was following disappointing data in industrial production and manufacturing from the United States, and that general pessimism continued during the Asian session with a relative negative outlook pushing Asian stocks on the downside. But going into the session today, S&P 500 futures are trading pretty much neutral at the moment. There's continuing concern over market valuations, and since this move on the upside was pushed by tech stocks, was plenty of expectation for a correction, as we mentioned in earlier videos. The euro yesterday tried to get below support, which we had 168.50. It came down to it and then rebounded to close pretty much unchanged. It's now just above 137.10, which had been an important support level. For the moment, we're looking at support at 136.50 and resistance at 137.50, which is a somewhat congested level there. The pound also had a little slight drop, but it ended up closing a little bit higher. It's also here at a transition level. We're looking at support at 167, which is the bottom of this upwards channel that's been maintaining for several months now. And then we have resistance at 168.40. The yen had a break below this trend line that's been maintaining a significant break below. If we look at the trend line here, go further back, this trend has been maintaining since April of last year, so we could be looking at a significant change in direction for the dollar-yen pair if this trend were to establish itself. It still didn't get below our important support level here at 101.30. And we now have resistance at 102.30, so those are our levels for going to the session today. And then finally we have gold, which paired its gains from yesterday and closed just as almost at the yesterday's open. We're still looking at support at 1,280 and resistance at 1,310. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching and happy trading.